So unfortunately, if we take a look here, Grok is no longer free, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you two alternatives to Grok that have both unlimited image and video generations, and yes, they are both free as well. The first one on our list is Qwen or Qwen AI. Any way you want to pronounce it is fine. I really don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but anyways, this is the first website right here. Open a new tab and search this, then click on the first link here. They should take you to a different interface that looks something just like this. After landing on this interface, everything looks all over the place and a bit confusing, unlike Grok. But as you can see right here, it says video generation and image generation. These are the two we are looking for. But first of all, you need to create an account before you can do anything on this website. In order to create an account, you're going to come to this section right here which says try Qwen Chat or Qwen Chat, whatever way you want to pronounce it. Just click on it. Since I've already created an account, it has logged me into my account. That said, after clicking on it, it's going to provide you with an option to create an account, that is sign in or sign up. After you are done with that, this interface is also going to pop up and they're going to tell you the account is pending activation. Please activate your account through the verification email in your inbox. So they're going to send you an email on the email you used to create this particular account. There'll be a link in there. Click on the link. The link will redirect you to Qwen interface where your account has already been created and everything. If you don't do that, trust me, you won't be able to log into your account or create an account on this website. But as you can see right here, I've actually generated quite a good amount of videos for this platform. I was actually testing it out for this video. Now, one thing you need to know is this: out of the two that I'm about to show you in this video, which is this and the other one, this particular one right here is the best one you can actually get at the moment, or how should I put this? It is the best alternative to Grok right now, because in addition to generating images and generating the videos, you can actually add sound effects and make the characters speak in the video. Yes, you heard me right. The second one is not going to do that, but more on that later because it also has some crazy features in there. But as you can see right here, let me show you one example. So this is a video I generated from an image, and what I'm going to do is this: I'm going to use, you know what, let me just play to you before we get started.
How are you?
I believe you heard it. When he was writing, there was a sound effect of him writing, and also he paused and said how are you because I asked him to say how are you after he's done writing. He was actually signing as a matter of fact. So where did I get this particular image from? Here's the thing: I wouldn't recommend you use Qwen AI, or should I say Qwen, whatever way you want to pronounce it, or the next one I'll be mentioning, to actually generate images. The same thing for Grok. I never recommended you use Grok to generate images because let's just say you get the images all right, but they are not something you would want. That is it. That's just it. So what I did was I've actually generated an entire story with Google Gemini, and this right here is the image prompt for one sentence along with the animation prompt. And if you're wondering how I did it, more on that at the end of the video. So what I did was I actually copied this particular image prompt, went to Google Flow, then I actually generated these images right here from the image prompt. So I'm going to be using this specific one right here, the one I'm hovering on, along with the animation prompt right here to actually show you how it is all going to work. So I'm going to copy the animation prompt just like this, then I return to Qwen. Now, one thing you need to keep in mind is this: just as I said, you're not going to get the same quality of images compared to what you are going to get in Flow right here. So avoid using this platform to generate images. That said, in order to generate videos right, let me open a new chat to show you something real quick. You are going to land on an interface that looks something just like this. You're going to click on the plus icon right here, then you're going to click on create video. There we go. What you want to do now is to select the aspect ratio you want. Are you going to upload it on YouTube or TikTok? So I'm going to upload mine on YouTube, so select the 16:9, but if it is for TikTok, select 9:16, which is the last one. So let me select this right here. Then what you are going to do now is you're going to click on the plus icon right here, click on upload attachments, then select the image you are going to animate. All you need to do now is paste the animation prompt in here just like this, then simply click on this arrow right here, and honestly you're going to get the result as soon as possible compared to other platforms I tested on the list. There is a specific one that I will show you in addition to the two that is also great, but let's just say it takes quite a while before you can get your videos. There you go. As you can see, it is done generating the video. So let's take a look at it. Perfect. So it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Sign the paper, then put his hand on his chin and sort of like think while doing it. After you are done generating the video just like this, in order to download it, simply click on the download button right here to download it onto your device. Now what I wanted to say earlier on was, or should I say is, when you generate your video, each time it is going to be just 5 seconds long. Unlike Grok where it was about 6 seconds, this is going to be 5 seconds. And Grok introduced, I would say, an extension feature where you can actually extend the video. And with that particular one, the more you extend the video, the less the quality drops, or should I say the more the quality drops. But after they dropped the particular feature, then it became a paid something. What I'm trying to say is this particular platform right here doesn't have an extension feature. It is just 5 seconds long. In order to make the character speak, after you are done pasting in the animation prompt, all you need to do right here, take a look at it. This is the animation prompt, what I have highlighted. All you need to do is just add he says and just write what you want him to say. Then he's actually going to say it. No joke, he's actually going to say it. But just as I said, since the video length is going to be 5 seconds max, if you want him to say a very lengthy sentence, what is going to happen is it will say it's alright, but it is going to give it that sort of AI feeling to it. And what do I mean by that? Since the sentence is going to be very long and it needs to be said within 5 seconds length, it is going to rush and try to say everything you want it to say. That way it is going to give it that sort of AI thing I was referring to. I believe you get what I'm trying to say. So in order to get the most natural feeling out of it, all you need to do is just generate several sections of the video where in each one it is saying a portion of the sentence. In each one it is saying a portion of the sentence. That way you can just put everything together in a video editing platform where everything feels much more natural compared to it rushing to say everything all at once. You know what? If you want me to make a detailed video on how to actually use this to make 3D cartoon stories or movies where the characters actually speak, feel free to let me know in the comment section. If you come to this section right here which says community, as you can see, you'll be able to see what other people or creators have worked on. So this is the image section, this is also the video section as well, and these are some of the things they have also worked on. I don't know if you noticed, but this particular platform has a similar interface to ChatGPT. Yes, but when it comes to image and video generation, this is great, but don't use this to generate images. So that is basically everything you need to know about this specific platform right here. Don't use it to generate images, but when it comes to videos, it does a great job. Now one thing you need to know about these free AI tools, which also apply to Grok, is it is not going to give you exactly what you want on the first try. Let's move on to the next platform, and with the next platform, it is called Meta AI. So what I want you to do is open a new tab and just search Meta AI just like this, then click on the first link right here. This should take you straight to an interface that looks something more like this. Let me open a new chart. There we go. So you are going to see an interface that looks something just like this, but you first of all need to create an account on this platform. Now creating an account on this platform is totally different from any other you have actually seen, because with this platform it is associated with Facebook and Instagram. So with this platform you need to log in with your Facebook account or your Instagram account. So what I did was I actually created a new Facebook account and logged in right here. If you are, let's say, scared of getting your details stolen or something, just feel free to create a new account, which I doubt that is going to happen. But anyways, let's continue with the video. In order to generate your videos right, you're going to come to this section right here which says create, where I'm hovering the mouse pointer. Just click on it, and as you can already tell, I have generated quite a good, and I mean a good amount of videos with this particular platform right here. And also I have made a video that is actually going to show you, you know what, more on that later on in the video. But as you can see right here, this is also an example. The one I'm hovering on is an example of what I generated. The man has to sign and sort of put his hand on his chin to think, but that is not what we got. Just as I said, these are free AI tools. You might not get it on the first try, you might have to generate several, and that is totally fine. So similar to Qwen or Qwen, whatever I want to call it, you can generate images with this platform, but I wouldn't recommend it ever. Before I show you how to generate images with it, let's proceed with a video generation. In order to generate a video with this platform, you're going to come to where I'm hovering the mouse pointer, click on this image icon right here and select video. But before you do that, make sure the aspect ratio is set before you flip it. So let me set this to 16:9, then switch this to video, which is image to video. You're then going to come to this section right here, which is the plus icon. Just click on it, then simply upload the image you want to animate and simply paste the animation prompt in here just like this. All you need to do now is just just click on animate right here, and it's actually going to animate it for you. And with this particular platform, I'm not going to lie to you, I was using it way before I even discovered Grok. Seriously, you can check the history right here. I've been using it for quite a long time. As you can see right here, it is done generating the video. So let's take a look at it. Honestly, this is close to what we want, but not exactly what we want, so we might have to generate another one. I believe you get what I'm trying to say. So let's just assume this is okay, it's exactly what we want. In order to download it onto our device, all we need to do is just come to this section while I'm hovering the mouse pointer, click on this icon right here next to the share icon. It is actually going to be downloaded onto your device, as you can see right here. Now with this particular platform, right, the video length is also going to be 5 seconds long, but unlike Qwen, with this you can actually extend the video. In exchange, you can't add sound effects or make the character speak right here, but you can actually add music to it. And here's how you can do both, that is extend the video and also add music to it. Let's start with the extension. You're going to click on this extend right here, and it is actually going to generate a new video, but the extended version of the previous one, which is this here. You are then going to come to this section which says add music. Then you can now add music to your video. You can go in for trending music, search the kind of music you want, and just click on it. It's going to pop up at this section right here, and just click on add to video, and you are good to go. So that is basically it. Let me show you the extended video right here. So with the extended video, how long do you think it is going to extend it to? It is going to extend it from 5 seconds to 8 seconds long. Yes, now I know you might think, well, 8 seconds is not much, but trust me, it is going to help you in some situations when you are using it to generate your 3D cartoon stories or something related to it. Now if you come to this section right here which says restyle, check this out. You can actually change the style into whatever you want. So let's see if I can change this video style right here into a different style. Let's click on browse. Let's use the evil witch template right here. As a matter of fact, let's use the clown. This is going to be much more interesting. So this right here is the clown restyle it has added, or it changed our main video to the clown template here. If you like it, you can go on ahead and use it, but let me show you a different one. Right, rather than generating it from scratch, this right here is one of the videos I generated with it from an image, of course. Check this out. This is the original scene, then I added the hero template right here, and as you can see, it actually animated it. Let's see the other one. This is also, it was a specific one right here. Let's see if I can find it. So the first one you saw was the superhero template, and then the second one was, what was it? Yes, it was the Western style template right here, this specific one, and that is what gave me this one right here. So that is basically everything you need to know about this platform. Now let's move on to the next one. Even though I said two, there's actually one more that I want to show you. This specific one right here is called Qwen AI, and I'm probably sure we've all heard of it, but the only reason I am not recommending this particular platform is because I asked it to animate the same image, that is the man sitting down trying to sign, with the same animation prompt and everything, and up till now I have not gotten it, and it's been almost 2 hours now. I believe you get what I'm trying to say. Yes, you can generate videos and everything with it using the free version, but check this out. It says this task is generating without credits, so it might take a bit longer than usual. If you are a member of this platform, obviously it's going to be a paid member, you can actually get it faster, but if you are not and you're using it for free just as I am, it is going to take quite a while for it to generate your videos. That said, that is everything you need to know about Grok's two alternatives. Also, I have made a dedicated video showing you how you can actually integrate Meta AI into your 3D cartoon character creation, and trust me, it is much more interesting than you think. So go on ahead and check that particular video out. It will be at the very end. Watch it and let me know what you think about it in the comment section. That is it for today. See you all in the next video. Peace.